how to transfer video to iPhone to your PC by using cable. It's working for laptop or PC, same thing. Just insert your cable, and once you insert, then you can see the pop-up notification. This one, you can see the pop-up notification. Now simply go to your start menu and type photos. These apps, press on these apps, and once you press on these apps, then top corner you can see the import. Press on import, then press on Apple device. Now wait a couple of seconds, then all of your images and videos is loading here. You can also cancel it to reload. And for example, I have to transfer this one. Just select and add to item. Now select where you want to download or save. Create folder, test. Now create test and press on import, then your file will be import. You can also save image. Then you just need to add your iCloud account to your Windows. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.